All right, people. My name is Ebisco Sugar, and so much is happening in our country right now. Flood has taken over a lot of places, a lot of homes. A lot of people are homeless right now. So please, I would love to appeal with you all. If you happen to see anyone who is a flood victim, please show some love. Lend them your home, lend them your space, give them your food, give them money if you have to. Give them shelter, support them, show them love, because we all need each other to see life through. You understand? We're praying for every flood victim out there in Delta states and all over Nigeria. Peace be unto you. Please show some love. Ebisco Sugar says so. Bless you.